This time I will make a net. Outdoor it is a very mild winter. Great for morning walks. Indoor I start net making. First I wrap the line on a homemade netting needle. I make 2 turns on the mesh board, a piece of wood in this case. I tie a bowline and set up an attachment point for the first row. I adjust the knot to the mesh board and start netting. Each knot is made by an overhand loop, followed by sticking the needle under 2 lines and above the rest, forming a new square. When the square is made, the mesh board is removed. The next loop is picked up. The loop is fixed by the finger to the board. The new knot is adjusted to the mesh board. The first row is spread out and every other square is pulled onto a ruler in this case. A piece of line is used to keep the squares together. Now the actual net. When you do the following rows, you do not remove the mesh board until the complete row is finished. The next loop is picked up, under 2 over the rest. When at the end the mesh board is turned upside down and the row is removed. Under 2 over the rest. Pick up the next loop, pull to the board. Outer line. I have to wrap more line onto the needle. Now, these are going to be speedier when you get used to the technique. Will it fit? I fixed the net temporarily to the frame to see how it will fit. The mesh is too big, so a feet might get stuck. I will need to cover the net in some kind of fabric. I take care of that next time.